great to be here today. My name is Barret Mills with Sumitomo Electric Lightwave. Great to see a lot of the Power and Tell family, the Power and Tell employees, the customers, and other vendors. I have personally had the privilege of working with Power and Tell and now 3 generations of Pentecost family for 23 years. And on behalf of myself and Sumitomo, we're grateful for all of the relationships and all of the good times. I would be remiss if I didn't tell a story, and I thought a lot about this because when I first started 23 years ago, I was assigned the Lexington branch, which meant Bill Meadley, Tommy Nelson, Eddie Swing, and Greg Monteleone and I traveled all over everywhere together. However, none of those stories are fitting for this crowd. But I will say, Don came to visit us about 1990, Don Pentecost, and decided they had a customer that needed some fiber. And so we broke down and finally sent him a quote. And he called me back and he goes, "I believe y'all have made a great mistake." And I said, "What do you mean?" And he goes, "You got the decimal point in the wrong place." And I said, "No." And he goes, "Well, it goes dot, number, 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 number." And I said, "No, that's how we quote fiber cable. We quote it to the 4th decimal." And so only us in the fiber business can appreciate that. But so Don quickly learned that fiber cable, he was going to have to get a new computer system to make that work. Building a business is based on integrity, flexibility, leadership, hard work, all the characteristics that Power and Tell have that make them the great company they are. Also, faith-based integrity and being built on a firm foundation are things you won't hear them talk about in business school anymore. We'll talk about compliance till we're blue in the face, but all we want to do is check a box. I truly believe that what makes Power and Tell special is that it's a faith-based company, the integrity they have, and they're built on a firm foundation. And with that in mind, Jim, if you would join me, please. We'll just look at it because I'll break it. On behalf of Sumitomo, we would like to present a picture of the Ocracoke Lighthouse to Power and Tell. And what really to me was fitting about the Ocracoke Lighthouse, Ocracoke is on the Ocracoke is in Barrier Island in North Carolina. This lighthouse has now been there this year 190 years. It is still an operational, functioning lighthouse. They've upgraded the optics many times, but the thing that sort of relays right to Power and Tell with me is this is the only lighthouse in North Carolina that did 2 things. It came in under budget, which I know you're always looking for, and also it has never been moved. It is on the same footings it was 190 years ago. And the other functioning lighthouses in North Carolina have all had to be moved because of the changing tides and currents and erosion. So with that in mind, I felt like this lighthouse, hopefully when you look at it, you'll realize it was built on a firm foundation like Power and Tell. Thank you.